Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Gikxki Vacuum Sealer for food with visible tank, handheld vacuum sealer machine with 30 reusable bags. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: 1 touch strong suction. Activate sealing with a single press. This handheld vacuum sealer delivers 60 kPa of powerful suction to seal bags in under 5 seconds, then stops automatically. The built-in pressure release at 40 kPa ensures quick, mess-free bag removal. One full charge provides up to 80 minutes of sealing, ideal for busy kitchens. Keep food fresh 5x longer. Advanced sealing technology locks in freshness and flavor for up to 5 times longer than standard storage. Includes 15 large, 10.24x 11.02 inch, and 15 medium, 8.27x 8.66 inch, bags to handle everything from daily snacks to large cuts of meat. Waterproof and easy clean. Features a transparent, detachable water tank for effortless cleaning. When liquid reaches the max level, simply remove and empty. Intelligent safety shuts the machine down if water enters, preventing damage. It is recommended to run the vacuum sealer multiple times when sealing foods containing liquid. Food safe and reusable bags. Comes with 30 BPA-free, food-grade vacuum bags. Safe for freezing, boiling, and storing foods from -11.2 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or -24 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Ideal for vegetables, fruits, meats, seafood, dry goods, leftovers, and more, saving space, money, and reducing waste. Compact size, big convenience, lightweight, and about the size of a travel mug, this portable vacuum sealer fits easily in any kitchen drawer. Unlike bulky machines, this vacuum sealer for food is perfect for home use, travel, camping, or picnics. Enjoy fresh and delicious food anytime, anywhere. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.